Chubby Cuddles 123, and I want to show you something. Well, my mommy got me this new squishy cupcake keychain that when she got some back medicine for Daddy, and now we have two so Daddy's back doesn't hurt, and we're gonna use them.
So tell her about your squishy. What color is it?
It's red and blue and purple.
Can you show it to the camera and squish it? Is it slow rising or fast rising?
Slow rising.
And why do you like it?
Because it's pink and purple and blue and white.
Can you smell it?
It tastes like strawberry.
Smells like strawberries. All right. Say bye-bye.
Bye, Chubby Cuddles 123.